In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how easy it is to create custom t-shirt designs using Placeit's t-shirt templates. It doesn't matter whether you're a seasoned veteran or brand new to the world of online t-shirt sales. Placeit has tons of templates, regardless of what design you'd like to make. Modern designs, retro designs, and anything in between. Placeit has a template, so let's get started. So I've picked the cat t-shirt design template for this tutorial, and then we start out by going to the left-hand side where we have all our text options. Here we have the text boxes, and you edit them just the same way you would in any text editor. Simply select them and start typing. To the left of each text box, we have a little check mark, and if we click on it, we get rid of that line of text, and if we click on it again, we add that line of text back. Below that we have our font picker, and if we click on it, we get a drop down with all the different font options that we have available. So for example, I'm going to change the font of this line, and you can see the change reflected in real time. To the right of the font button, we have the color picker. If we click on it, we get a bunch of preset colors that we can choose from. So I'm going to click green here so you can see how that changes. But we can also click on more, and we can pick any color that we'd like. We can also input the hex code if we happen to have that right here. And then we would just click on choose to set that color. I'm going to change it back to black. Right. I'm going to edit the second line here to say every day. Right, and I'm also going to change the font for this line of text. Let's see here. I'm going to use the same one, some are regular for both. Next, we go to the back graphic color picker. So right now it's set to black, but we're not seeing anything in the background here because we have no image. But if I choose one, you can see what that looks like. I'm going to change it to a nice yellow color, and I'm going to choose this circle with some sparkles coming off it. You'll see why I did that. On the right-hand side, we can now choose the main graphic. So we start with the color. Right now it's set to black, but I think I'm going to change it to a nice eggplant color or a violet color. All right, and I'm going to change the graphic. Got a bunch of cats to choose from in this template. I'm going to choose the cat doing the yoga pose. For the background, it's set to white right now, but I think I'm actually going to change it to be a transparent background, which is this checkered box here with the gray and the white. And that means that when we save our design, only the actual design, so the cat and the circle and the stars, are going to be downloaded. We're not going to download this background. And that means that we can actually change the background. We can put the design on a t-shirt of any color, and we're not going to have to cut out a square where the cat is sitting on top of. So that's just a little tip to keep in mind. We can also choose a graphic if we wanted to do that instead. Let me show you just a couple of these. We can also pick a pattern, or we can even upload our own custom image if we'd like to do that as well. So I'm going to set it to no image. And actually, I think I'm going to change the font colors for these lines. So I'll just go back to the left-hand side, change them from black to a lighter eggplant color or a lighter violet color. That's one of the great things about Placeit's t-shirt design templates is that they're so easy to edit and you see the results in real time. You don't need to call up your designer or send them an email and then wait for them to get back to you. You can simply edit it. You can change it until you like it, and if you don't, you simply change it back. So it's super easy. So once we're satisfied with our design and we're ready to download it, we simply go to the top section here where the big blue download button is, and we click on that, and we get this pop-up that shows us the format the image is going to be in, a PNG in this case, and the resolution and the price. Then we simply just click on purchase and we follow those steps. So that's how easy it is to create great looking t-shirt designs using Placeit's t-shirt templates. Don't forget, Placeit also has an unlimited subscription. For only $29 a month, you get unlimited access to every single one of Placeit's t-shirt design templates. You can make as many as you want with no limits. So let me show you where those are. So on Placeit.net, we go to the top left-hand side under Designs, and we mouse over that, and then we simply slide down to T-shirt Design Templates, and we click on it to see all the t-shirt templates that are currently available. So as you can see, there are a ton of different t-shirt templates available, and more are constantly being added. There are templates for every kind of t-shirt design you could possibly want to make. But that's not all. Remember the t-shirt mockups that I used at the beginning of the video to show off the t-shirt designs? Those are also part of Placeit's unlimited subscription. So for the same $29 a month, you get unlimited t-shirt designs and unlimited mockups. So let me show you a couple of those right now. Once again, on Placeit.net, we go to the top left-hand side, this time under mockups, And we simply slide down to t-shirts to filter out just the t-shirt mockups. But as you can see, Placeit has a ton of other types. So here we can browse through literally thousands of different t-shirt mockups that are available for us to use and promote our great looking t-shirt designs. The possibilities are endless. And we're barely just scratching the surface of what you can do with a Placeit Unlimited subscription. Everything from creating your logo to creating the t-shirt designs, then creating the mockups to promote those designs, creating social media images, and even creating video mockups to promote those designs all across the web. If you're a t-shirt seller, whether a beginner or a veteran, Placeit might just be the last subscription you ever need.